There is no noticeable difference between the audio that travels through a 3.5 mm jack and a USB-C connection. The only difference that separates them is audio through 3.5 mm jack is an analog signal, while through USB-C is a digital signal. 3.5 mm jack takes the digital audio of your device and converts it on the fly, but the signal travels without conversion in USB-C. If you are looking at incredible fine details, you might notice a minor wave pattern differences, but nothing changes in quality. Both HDMI and optical cables can pass the digital audio from one device to another, and the biggest difference is that HDMI can pass the higher resolution audio including the formats found on the Blu-ray, like 7.1 channel Dolby True HD and DTS Master Audio. The Dolby True HD or DTS Master Audio can bundle up to 8 channels of lossless audio information. Optical cables does not have the bandwidth to carry these signals. If you connect your Blu-ray player to your receiver with optical, the audio will fall back to Dolby Digital or DTS. For 2.1 audio systems, either optical or HDMI does the same. For 5.1 audio system, optical cable has loss in audio compared to HDMI, so prefer HDMI for 5.1 surround system. For 7.1 Dolby Atmos or higher systems, HDMI is the best. Which type of cable you have to prefer will depend upon what you are looking for. Finally, both of these technologies have their own applications. To begin with, HDMI is the best choice if you want the absolute best audio quality possible. On the other hand, optical cable still offers decent sound quality, but its capabilities are limited.